I'm Pete with LINC Systems. Today we're going to discuss the high resolution system from FoxJet. We're going to talk about what to do when you receive your new printhead from LINC Systems. When you open it up, it's going to have your styrofoam. Hugely important. Save your box and the styrofoam that comes with it, because we're going to use that to ship it back and forth for cleaning and repairs. These are the items that will come in your box with your new printhead from LINC. The filter and the waste collector that you use when you're running production. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your filter out of your bag and replace it where the shipping cap goes. An important step is to make sure we take this shipping cap and replace it in a plastic bag. And I like to tape them to the machine so I know where it is. If we're going to take this out of production, we want to seal the system and replace the shipping cap back on here and put the filter back in the bag. Just need to put the waste collector on here. Please be mindful of the filter down here. Come in an upward motion into the female side of it and just screw it in. And just screw it in until it's tight. You'll feel it stop. So next we're going to take the packaging off the head. Just remove the plastic bag and have a absorbent wipe inside of there. And then you'll unscrew the sealing cap. The sealing cap is very important. Please hold on to this. If you ever need to ship it back to us for repair, you'll want to seal the system with it, or if you take it offline for any period of time. You'll notice there's some ink down here. These systems come with ink in them, so it's no big deal to have a little ink there. You just use a lint-free wipe to clean it off, or just put it online. Now that we've got all that done, it's ready to go online. Today we're going to talk about cleaning your printhead. So if you get lines in your print, the first thing you're going to want to do is hit the purge button. You just hit it once and you'll hear the motor kick on. That is going to push ink through all the pores. If you're still having problems printing with lines, you can use the maintenance spray. It's very important to use the maintenance spray and not just any cleaner. It has the same properties as the ink minus the black. It's basically its solvent. So you just lightly spray and then use a lint-free wipe and just wipe down the printhead. Today we're going to discuss taking your FoxJet printhead offline. The first step we're going to do is remove the filter and replace it with the shipping cap. What we're trying to do is seal the system. And a pro tip is to take your filter, put it back in this bag, and tape it to the actual printhead so you know where it is when it's ready to be put back online. The next step is we're going to seal the head with this L bracket. It's very important that the side that's perpendicular to the printhead is sticking out when you're facing the printhead. If we put it on backwards, it doesn't seal the system and the ink will gel up. That's it. The next step is we're going to remove this waste container and put the shipping waste container back on. And it's important, just the same cap goes on here. And just make sure we mind that filter right there and just screw it on. The other important thing we need to take into consideration is the expiration date of the ink. It'll be clearly marked on your bottle. I don't want to tip this upside down right now so it doesn't spill. But you want to make sure when it's going to come back online that that ink is still within the expiration date. If it's not, you need to get a fresh bottle of ink and run it for a couple days just to make sure that the ink doesn't expire, the ink that's in the system doesn't expire. So now your printhead is ready to be put into storage for the off-season, or ship it back if it needs cleaning. Now that your head is sealed up, it's ready to be shipped back. The first step we're going to do is take a paper towel or something and put it in a Ziploc bag. And we'll just want to cover the head in the Ziploc bag just in case there's a little bit of ink leakage. Take your head and put it back in the box that it was shipped to you in. It's just like that. And it has a top foam piece that matches. Now it's ready to be shipped back to LINC Systems for repair. If you have any questions about your FoxJet Pro Series printer, please call LINC Systems and we're happy to help you.